just trying to wipe it up now. I'm almost finished cleaning it. It looks so pretty. I like the color. I was able to sleep really good, so thank you so much. This is going to be my first ever grocery here in the province house. Though I'm not really stressed, but anyway. Good morning guys, how are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. So as you guys can tell, I am such in a good mood. I just woke up, it's around 8 a.m. and I had a very good sleep, and that's because my father, my papa, was sleeping with me here. He was here in the living area, and also Syra slept with me as well last night. So I was able to sleep really good, so thank you so much. Right now I am having my breakfast. Today we're not going to be eating rice because finally I got some groceries. My sister got them yesterday. So today I'm gonna have some milk. I just heated some water. My father has left already. He always wakes up so early and he goes to my grandma because my grandma is also alone. So he goes from here to there, but my grandma lives so close, so it's okay. And aside from milk, I'm also gonna have some peanut butter with bread. Guys, oh my gosh, it has been a while since I have not eaten this, and to be honest, when me and Tom was in Palawan, this was our breakfast every day. And also when we were in the city, this is our breakfast. So now that I got it, I'm gonna go and have this for breakfast because I miss this so much. Yeah, and actually I hated peanut butter before, and I don't know, right now that I'm like 26, I love peanut butter. I don't know why, that's so epic. And yeah, so what I do is pretty much do like this, but something's lacking. I need to put some bananas, but I don't have bananas here. That's okay, this will do for now. Next time, tomorrow, hopefully I will have banana. But since we are in the countryside, I can literally just get bananas, you know, here. Good morning! Syra is awake now. Come on, let's have breakfast. Do you want peanut butter?
Yeah.
Feels like I have a kid. Syra is my adopted now. Okay, I'll give that to you. So yeah, oh my gosh, I felt like I slept for, I don't know, 10 hours. I overslept obviously, but that's because the other night, as you guys can remember, I was not really able to sleep because I was all here alone and I'm like, cannot sleep at all. So today I will have like some household chores to do, like I need to do some laundry. Alright guys, just finished with breakfast. I'm gonna give you a quick little haul of the grocery. This is going to be my first ever grocery here in the province house, and I think I didn't have enough. But I got 2 boxes here. Shout out to my sister for bringing everything and for doing the groceries on behalf of me. We were like communicating on Messenger. Saika is here, by the way. She is joining us for breakfast. So yeah, it's just going to be a quick one. I'm gonna show you what are the stuff that I got. Alright, first thing is I got this cloth. 1, 2, 3. I needed this for the kitchen. So then I got here some all-purpose cream, some cup noodles. This is absolutely my favorite cup noodles. Chicken sotanghon. This is really good. And then I got here some condensed milk, fresh milk. My sister got the Magnolia, but I wanted to get the Nestle one, but that's okay. It's the same thing, I suppose. I got 2 of those. And then I got here some Yakult. I need to have some probiotics. I got 2 packs of Yakult. And then next I have here some stick O. Yes guys, I eat stick O still. It's my favorite snack. I love chocolate, so I got that. I have here another condensed milk and another all-purpose cream. Some carbonara I got 3, I think. Yeah, because these are like small packets. I have here Filipino style spaghetti sauce. I have here some fabric conditioner. I have here Head and Shoulders for shampoo. I have here Safeguard. I have here some Surf. Here's some gray hams. And this is the biscuit one. And I also got 2 crushed gray hams because I'm gonna be doing mango float. If you guys can remember in my previous video, me and Bingo went to Metro and we had mango float and I was like, I need more of that. And it was 50 pesos for just a really small piece. So I am thinking of making a mango float here, maybe tomorrow, depends if we have mangoes. All-in-one seasoning. I have here some soy sauce, iodized rock salt. Here's some biscuits because yes, I am hungry every 2 hours. So I got here some fudgy bar, what the tops, wafer. Yes, I love wafer. Penny rigate pasta. This is what I'm gonna be using for the carbonara sauce that we have. Cooking oil, vinegar, liquid seasoning. I have here 5 kilos of rice. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And the total for everything, 3,000 peso. Oh, wow. Right now, I'm just trying to clean this fridge. Now, earlier, this fridge was so dirty. We had to put in charcoal because I wasn't using this fridge anymore. We had to put charcoal inside so that it wouldn't stink. I'm just trying to wipe it up now. I'm almost finished cleaning it. After this, we are going to put all of the grocery that I got. Here, look at this door. Look how dirty that is. That's how the fridge is now looking. It's looking clean. So now I'm gonna put in our milk here and then we're gonna try to turn it on as well. I'll put it just here. I have this washing machine, by the way. I got this, I think, since we moved here. I'm not able to open it until now because this is the time that I badly need to open it because I am going to use it. I got this in Metro and this was around 3,000 peso. Got here this. Yeah. Ta-da! Ta-da! So this is how my washing machine looks like. It looks so pretty. I like the color. I am going to start washing my clothes. I put the washing machine here in the toilet so that I can easily drain it here. Since I do not have any water yet, I had to manually put water inside the washing machine. I already put water inside some of the clothes that I need to wash. Guys, I just finished with the laundry. I hang it in there. I don't have enough space anymore, so I asked my dad to put or make me a thing. What do you call that? The back side of the house. He got this string. Can you see it? I just finished showering, guys. I'm feeling fresh right now. Anyway, I'm here in, I was about to say balcony, but in the door at the back. This incredible view just removes my stress away. Though I'm not really stressed. But anyway, the weather was so crazy. It rains and it stopped and it rains and it stopped. You know, I was washing clothes today and I was so worried with my clothes to get wet again. I think it's almost dry. Some of you guys are suggesting to put a deck here, and yes, I am going to put a deck here soon if I already have a budget, but for now it's not a priority. I can just sit here like this. As some of you guys are saying as well that I should put stairs here because it's got a really big gap. Yes guys, I'm going to put that as well. The builder is going to work first with the terrace, and then after that he's gonna work on the stairs here. And also some of you are saying that I need to put like grills in the window. Yes, that's gonna be my plan for extra security. I still have two canvas where I can have like a cheaper but good quality grills for the window. I think we have it here in the countryside, so I'm gonna inquire. I think they will need to come here and then try to measure, and then we're gonna agree for a price. It's like a package thing. And then also I'm going to put a net for the window as well, because there are some bugs that goes into my room and here in the house, so it's kind of really bothering me. And I was reading you guys' comments. I have a lot of comments, guys, and I'm sorry if I'm not able to reply to all of the comments, but please know that I'm reading all of it and I truly appreciate you guys' inputs. I love reading you guys' recommendation and what's best and what's not, and yeah, I truly appreciate it. By the way, guys, quick update. I already have the gas tank, so this is how it's looking. It is 11 kilogram. My father got this earlier and this cost 2,600 pesos, so it is about 55 US dollars. And then it comes with this hose. It's looking like that, and then it also has a regulator. And since I already have this burner, yeah, I only have one burner. That's okay, I think. Unfortunately, I do not know how to install this, like connect the hose, the regulator to the burner, and my dad doesn't have any idea as well. We're quite clueless. But anyway, we're gonna wait for my brother-in-law and have him install this, because this is quite tricky. I don't want to be like have an accident or anything. Knock on woods. We're gonna knock here. Knock on woods. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. My sister will be here. I told her to grab some vegetable, and then that's gonna be for our dinner tonight. I'm so excited. I felt like complete now because the gas is the most important thing, so I can cook freely whatever food that I want. So right now I'm gonna try to rearrange my bed. Now originally it's like this, and my initial plan is to actually put the bed here, because as you guys can see, there is an outlet there and the bedside table should be in there, right? So my father is here. He's gonna help me try to rotate it like this. One of you guys as well commented that I should put it like that, and yes, that reminded me that I should do that already now. So we're gonna do it here. It's still so messy here in the room, guys, to be honest. I got these big luggages. I tried to hide it like underneath the bed. Pizza ako sa nipa ko.
Hindi akong guru yan today. Wait! I gotta choose.
Simping?
Come on.
Okay, so that's how it's looking now. I think it looks better. I like it like this, guys. Nice. And then I'm gonna put my side table there, so it should be good. Let's do that. My side table. Let's put that there. There you go. That's why I put a plug here, because this is exactly my initial plan. Wow, that looks nice.
Nice.
Cool. Alright guys, well, it is night time already and I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, spending the day with me, and I hope you guys are all safe. Please take care and stay safe, stay at home if you have to, and let me know how is the COVID going in your country. Is it still strict or not? I would love to know that. And how's the travel restrictions as well. Thanks again guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos like this. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.